Hello everybody, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This time I create something funny what will help me during the cleaning of the CNC machine. Instead of cleaning it by hand with a vacuum cleaner or a brush, I made a tool pad so that the vacuum cleaner attached to the CNC machine will clean my machine. So to show you what I did, I made a toolpad in VCAF Pro, named it dust cleaning. Dust cleaning, the diameter is 130, what is quite wide, but that is good enough just to clean it quickly. The speed is the maximum speed of the machine, of this machine of course. And the speed to go down, I decreased a little bit so that if my mill is still in the spindle, that I can see that it is not touching my wasteboard. Anyway, creating this mill, I just designed the rectangle of the full size of the machine, as you can see, and then I choose a toolpad, dust cleaning, of course. Dust cleaning with that wide range, going up and down quickly over the full size of your machine. And I will put that somewhere in the internal memory of the CNC machine under the button, for example, workpiece 8. And on the workpiece 8 I will put the X, Y, Z coordinate, especially for cleaning this machine always with the Z, what is a little bit too high. So if there is mill in the spindle, that it will not touch the wasteboard. To protect that a little bit, I took cut depth 0, and also if you look to the tool database, you can see I took there for dust cleaning also cutting depth 1 millimeter. So to protect everything a little bit against that my mill will touch the wasteboard. Let's go downstairs and see how this will work, and if it was a stupid idea or a funny, nice to use idea. See you in a minute. So let's see if my silly idea will work. First, I just want to put the file on the internal memory, and I will put it on workpiece 9, or 8, space that I never use. So let's click first on menu, then you click operate file, okay, then copy file, okay, on the memory stick, that's good. It's stof, what is dust in Flemish. Okay, the file is now copied. Let's see if that's now correct on the internal memory. Looking forward to it. Internal memory, okay, there it is, that's good. So now the second thing what I want to do is select workpiece 8, because I never use that. 8, that's done. Go to a home position for 8. And I will zero all the points on 8. And the Z I will zero that on the machine bed. So that's done. So my safety zone is in the design, because I add 1 centimeter higher than the workbench and used the Z0 point in my design on the workbench, so I have 1 centimeter safety zone. Let's see if this will work. Did I forget something? I don't think so. We will see. So go to the intern files. Okay, clean. But select a cleaning dust stuff in Flemish. Okay. I will put the vacuum cleaner on. And let's see if it will work. Quickly, that's something, maybe something could go wrong. A little bit lower is better. I'm almost there, a little bit too high. Let's adapt that and see if it will work better then. Here I am again. I just changed in my design the 30 centimeters into 1 centimeter. So let's see if this is better now. Let's measure again the Z. That's done. Put the vacuum cleaner on. Go to internal memory. Dust. Will it work? I